Welcome to Math Talk 23. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. See the first one, 1. What is this? 1. What's the spelling? O-N-E, 1. Next one is 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. Next is 3. See, 3. What's the spelling? T-H-R-E-E, 3. Next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Next number is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. This is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. This is 8. So what's the spelling? E-I-G-H-T, 8. 8 after 9. N-I-N-E, 9. This is 10. T-E-N, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you all.